So when you go to the website, it's really good to click on how to use or look at the lessons. And if you have any questions, send us feedback. But we're going to part. The arena part is for driving skills only. We'll go to programming. And you should see this first part. And here's the game being loaded. Now, it has a few differences from the real First Global, but this is just our beta version. So push start will pick a robot. You don't like that robot, you can reset the field, and you can pick a different robot. Don't pick custom bot, and of course, if you want to do the red team. Now, notice it's not exactly on the red team, but that's okay. And then we want to test to see if our robot works. That's good. So we'll reset this and put it on the blue side now. So we don't need this question mark, but every program needs to have this loop. Reverse the two motors, wait for start. Then you have your op mode. Put your blocks here. It's nice to have some telemetry. And we always like to have a sleep function after each command because the commands go faster than the computer can handle. But if you want to add more motors, we got to go actuators, DC motor, quad, pull this one over, pull this one over, get rid of this. We'll put this one in here, get rid of this. Now motors run from -1 to 1, and this is reset the field, initialize, and start. And if you like your program, don't forget to save it. And don't forget to save your program if you like it. And then you can, of course, write a new program if you want. Here's a simple joystick program. Reset the field, initialize, start. And I can use my gamepad, and the left stick works. And the right stick spins it.